Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Understanding configuration drift. What is configuration drift? Configuration drift refers to the phenomenon where the configuration of a system diverges from its intended or documented state over time. This can happen due to manual changes, updates, or inconsistencies in deployment processes. Configuration drift can lead to various issues, such as security vulnerabilities, performance degradation, and difficulties in troubleshooting. In modern IT environments, especially those that rely heavily on infrastructure as code, IAC, and DevOps practices, managing configuration drift is crucial. Tools and practices such as version control, automated deployments, and configuration management can help mitigate these issues. Causes of configuration drift. 1. Manual changes, direct modifications to a system without updating the codebase or configuration management tools. 2. Updates and patches, applying updates or patches that change the configuration unexpectedly. 3. Divergent environments, differences between development, staging, and production environments when changes are not properly synchronized. 4. Human error, mistakes during manual configuration or deployment processes. Consequences of configuration drift. Security risks, outdated or inconsistent configurations can create vulnerabilities. Increased downtime, unexpected behavior due to drift can lead to system failures. Performance issues, inconsistent configurations may result in suboptimal performance. Compliance problems, regulatory compliance may be compromised due to untracked changes. Detecting configuration drift. To effectively manage configuration drift, it is essential to have mechanisms in place for detecting it. Here are some common strategies. 1. Regular audits, periodically compare the current configuration against the intended state. 2. Version control, use version control systems, like Git, to track changes to configuration files. 3. Monitoring tools, utilize tools that monitor and report configuration changes in real time. Example, detecting configuration drift with a code example. In this example, we will use a simple Python script to detect configuration drift in a web server's configuration file. Step 1. Define the desired configuration. Let's assume we have a desired configuration for an nginx web server stored in a file called nginx.conf. nginx.conf, desired state. nginx. Server. Listen 80. Server _name example.com. Location / root / var / www / html. index.html index.htm. Step 2. Create a script to check for drift. We will write a Python script that compares the current configuration file with the desired configuration. Check _drift.py. Python. Import difflib. Import OS. Path to the desired configuration file. Desired _config path equals nginx.conf. Path to the current configuration file, could be different. Current _config path equals / etc /nginx/nginx.conf. Def read _file, file _path. With open, file path, r, as file. Return file.read lines. Def check _drift, desired, current. Diff equals difflib.unified _diff, desired, current, line term equals, from file equals desired, to file equals current. Return list, diff. Def main. If not os.path.exists, current _config path. Print, f current configuration file does not exist at, current_config_path. Return. Desired_config equals read_file, desired_config_path. Current_config equals read_file, current_config_path. Drift equals check_drift, desired_config, current_config. If drift. Print, configuration drift detected. For line in drift. Print, line. Else. Print, no configuration drift detected. If ___name ___ __main___. Main. Step 3, run the script. 1. Ensure you have Python installed. 2. Save the desired configuration to inks.conf. 3. The current configuration should be located at /etc/inks/inks.conf, or adjust the path in the script. 4. Run the script. Bash. Python check_drift.py. Output. If there is a configuration drift, the script will output the differences. Configuration drift detected. Desired. +++ current. At -1,5 + 1,5 at. Server. Listen 80. Plus listen 8080. Server_name example.com. Location / root/var/www/html. Index.html index.htm. If there's no drift, you'll see no configuration drift detected. Conclusion. Configuration drift is a critical issue in modern IT environments that can lead to various operational problems. By understanding the causes, consequences, and methods for detecting drift, organizations can implement effective strategies to manage their infrastructure. The provided Python script is a simple example of how to automate the detection of configuration drift, which is a vital step in maintaining system integrity and consistency.